Is your Mac giving you a printing system error? Yeah, that's super frustrating when you're trying to print something and your Mac just won't cooperate. But it's usually fixable with just a few simple steps. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to fix your Mac printing system error step by step. Or if you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. On your Mac, click on the Spotlight search icon. That's the little magnifying glass in the top right corner of the screen. Type in printers and scanners and open it up. Now, control-click on your printer in the list. When you do that, a menu pops up with several options. Look for something that says Reset Printing System and click on that. Your Mac will ask you to confirm. Basically, it's just making sure you really want to do this. Go ahead and click on the Reset to confirm the action. Once that's done, power off your printer completely. Just turn it off. Then, wait a few seconds and power it back on. Give it a moment to fully boot up and get ready. Alright, now head back to the same printers and scanners window on your Mac and look for the option that says Add a printer. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, your Mac is going to show you the list of available printers. Simply find your printer in that list and click on Add. Now, just wait a moment while your Mac sets everything back up. Once it's done, you'll see it finish. Your printer should be back online and ready to go. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.